Hello, welcome to my channel. In this channel, I share the simplest ways to live a healthy lifestyle and many untold secrets that can help us live a healthy life. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Welcome back. Today, I'm going to mention top 10 foods that are beneficial for your liver. If you're worried about your liver health or want to maintain its well-being, especially if you have fatty liver, these foods can help. It's important to choose items that are accessible in your area and consider the current season, as this will influence how and when you incorporate them into your diet. Starting with number 10 on my list, we have watermelon. This delicious fruit is rich in lycopene, a powerful antioxidant that supports liver health. Additionally, watermelon is packed with vitamin C and vitamin A, both of which are excellent for detoxification and protecting the liver from free radical damage. At number 9, we have eggs. Eggs are not only a fantastic source of protein, but the yolk also contains omega-3 fatty acids, which are essential for optimal liver function. It's crucial to ensure you're getting enough protein in your daily diet. Number 8 sardines. Coming in at number 8 on my list are sardines. These small fish are packed with essential omega-3 fatty acids, which help prevent harmful fat accumulation in the liver. This makes them crucial for maintaining overall liver health, particularly if you're dealing with a fatty liver. Sardines can be a great ally in that regard. Now the number 7, we have liver. I understand that liver isn't everyone's favorite food, but if you're not a vegetarian, incorporating a bit of liver into your diet can be beneficial. It's rich in vital B vitamins, especially folate, and consuming liver can help mitigate liver damage associated with high-fat diets and poor food choices. Inflammatory fats and excessive alcohol intake can be harmful, so it makes sense to support liver health by consuming liver-friendly foods. Now, let's talk about apricots, which are number 6 on my list. These fruits are worth considering, especially when they're in season. In my area, they grow during the summer, and I'm eagerly anticipating their arrival. Apricots are rich in beta-carotene, and studies indicate that this nutrient offers protective benefits. Impact on liver fibrosis, oxidative stress, and inflammation in the liver. Now, moving on to number 5 on our list, lobster. It's probably my favorite dish, although I don't get to enjoy it often. Lobster is truly amazing. It's a natural source of vitamin B12, which is beneficial for liver health. Additionally, it contains acinine, and research indicates that acinine plays a significant role in preventing and treating liver fibrosis, non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, liver cancer, and drug-induced liver damage. So, if you have the opportunity, indulging in more lobster is a great idea. Now, let's talk about number 4 on the list, shrimp. Shrimp might be a bit easier to come by, and it also provides a fantastic source of acinine. Studies show that shrimp can be very protective for your liver health. 3. Grass-fed yogurt. Coming in at number 3 is grass-fed yogurt. This yogurt is an excellent source of natural probiotics, which are beneficial for maintaining a healthy microbiome. This, in turn, supports good liver health. Number 2, turmeric. Next on my list is turmeric, another fantastic food for promoting liver health. Its high curcumin content, the active ingredient in turmeric, is particularly effective for addressing fatty liver and reducing inflammation in the liver. It can also help lower elevated liver enzymes found in your blood tests. You might consider taking a supplement for this, as consuming the whole turmeric root isn't always the healthiest option, especially if it's not organic. Being a root vegetable, turmeric can absorb toxins from the soil, and there have been numerous reports of contamination in turmeric products. It's important to be mindful of heavy metals, including lead. That's why I prefer a safer option for supplementation, a high-concentration turmeric and curcumin supplement. This provides essential antioxidants and supports liver health. The number 1 on my list are green leafy vegetables, which are the best food for your liver. These veggies are rich in polyphenol and antioxidants, making them incredibly beneficial. The more bitter the greens, the better they are for liver health, according to traditional Chinese medicine. You can easily add these to your daily meals, especially when they're in season. If you have the opportunity to grow them yourself, that's even better. For more tips on detoxifying your liver, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.